Want to create stunning Pixar-style animations? No need for Midjourney, Runway, or Kling. Today, I'll show you how to bring an adorable 3D bunny to life using completely free AI tools. Let's get started. First, I used ChatGPT to generate a detailed prompt for a cute 3D Pixar-style bunny holding a carrot. A well-crafted prompt is the key to getting high-quality AI-generated images. Next, I took this prompt and used PicLumen, a free alternative to Midjourney, to generate a high-quality image of our bunny. PicLumen does an amazing job at creating detailed and professional-looking 3D renders. Now, to bring this bunny to life, I used ChatGPT again to generate a smooth animation prompt. The animation includes natural breathing, ear twitches, and the bunny nibbling on its carrot, just like in a Pixar movie. Once I had the animation prompt ready, I uploaded the generated bunny image into Vidu AI, a powerful free tool for adding motion to static images. Vidu AI then worked its magic, transforming the image into a lively animation. And here's the final result: a beautifully animated 3D bunny, created entirely with free AI tools. No expensive software, no complicated 3D modeling, just AI magic. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. What should I animate next? Let me know, and I'll create it using AI.